In the heart of the Mediterranean Sea, on the lands of Italy, stands a city that shaped the world, Rome. But the story of this mighty empire began not with armies or empires, but with the cry of two helpless infants. Long ago, in a city called Alba Longa, there ruled a king named Numitor, but his own brother, Romulus, overthrew him in a quest for power. Afraid that Numitor's bloodline might reclaim the throne one day, Romulus forced Numitor's daughter, Rhea Silvia, to take a sacred vow of chastity, ensuring she could never bear children. Yet fate had other plans. Blessed by Mars, the god of war, Rhea Silvia gave birth to twin boys, Romulus and Remus. Terrified of their potential, Romulus ordered the infants to be cast into the waters of the Tiber River, left to die. But death did not claim them. The river carried them safely to the wild, where a she-wolf, Lupa, found them and with a mother's heart nursed them as her own. Later, a kind shepherd named Faustulus discovered the boys and raised them under his care. Years passed, and the brothers grew strong. They learned the truth of their birth and avenged their family, killing Romulus and restoring their grandfather Numitor to his throne. But destiny took a darker turn. The brothers dreamed of building a new city, yet their visions clashed. Pride and anger boiled over. In a tragic moment, Romulus struck down his own brother Remus. On that blood-stained ground, Romulus founded a city, Rome. He became its first king, and from that day forward, the city's veins carried stories of both love and blood, of sacrifice and power. Perhaps this is myth, perhaps it's truth. But what we know is that Rome was born not just from legends, but from the courage, ambition, and dreams of its people. A city that would go on to rule half the world, rising from the tears of a mother wolf and the rivalry of two brothers.